Hi, and welcome to this instructional video by Above and Beyond Abseiling. My name's James and I'll be taking you through inspection checklists for industrial abseiling PPE. It's crucial to check your equipment before every use with a thorough inspection at least every 6 months. A further inspection can be carried out by someone who's competent but not a regular user of the equipment. This should be done at least annually. Here at Above and Beyond Abseiling, we use inspection checklists derived from manufacturers' publications. We maintain logs of all our equipment. These logs are live documents which are available wherever we are working, which means they remain current and up to date. This is an integral part of the safety management system, and we can tailor-make similar systems for many different operations across a variety of industries. This video is about connectors, carabiners and screw links.